fix up this side. It appears the anchors split, whatever this was, like a repair. Oh yeah, caulking. Check it out, a wooden dowel. Someone drove a wooden dowel and put a screw into it. Somewhere over here, right here. Alright, if it was loose, if it was wiggly, I removed it. Not wiggly, we're just gonna leave it. Everything else is nice and structurally sound there. Same, clean it up, wash it off. Now we're gonna wash off the concrete. Don't go too crazy depending on your situation, because this goes inside. We don't want a bunch of water inside. You need to wet the concrete, so before you even put on your slurry or your mortar, you should always wet the concrete, because it'll suck all the extra moisture out otherwise, and it'll prematurely cure it. Right now we're going to drive in some tapcons. Don't go too close to the edge. All over the place. One on the bottom there. Alright, first thing, get everything ready. Concrete's wet. Screws are set. Trowels. Slurry. Bucket. Mixer. Water. There we have it. Basically, I just wanted to fill it in. Alright, we also got to remember, we got to keep the surface damp, or keep the sheen to it for an hour. So spray it with water. If it ever looks dry or drying out, make sure you get some water on it for the first hour only. Got some pressure treated on the bottom. We have the actual preservative that you're supposed to use when you cut pressure treated, all pressure treated. Got our anchors. Area we fixed, pretty nice. CDX, that's what I use for shims. I shimmed it with CDX and just regular shims.